Need a fast, reliable fix for your phone, tablet, or laptop? Techy has you covered. With locations nationwide, we're your go-to experts for electronics repair, smart home installations, and device accessories, all in one place. At Techy, we know how important your devices are to your daily life. That's why we offer same-day repairs for most issues, from cracked screens to battery replacements and water damage fixes. Our certified technicians use high-quality parts and expert techniques to get your device working like new again. But we don't stop at repairs. Looking to upgrade your home? Techy specializes in smart home automation, from security cameras to smart doorbells and home theater setups. Plus, we carry a huge selection of accessories to protect and enhance your devices. With years of experience and a commitment to top-notch customer service, Techy is the trusted name in tech repair and innovation. Whether you need a quick fix, a smart home upgrade, or the latest accessories, we're here to help. Find your nearest Techy location today or visit techycompany.com to learn more.